What is the shortcut to duplicate a layer in Photoshop? Command J.
Which tool is used to select and move objects in Photoshop?
Move tool.
Which file format preserves all layers in Photoshop?
PSD.
What is the shortcut to zoom in on an image?
Command plus.
What does the Magic Wand tool do?
Selects areas of similar color.
Which adjustment layer is used to change an image to black and white?
Black and white.
What is the default resolution for print projects?
.300 dpi.
Which blending mode darkens an image by multiplying colors?
Multiply.
How do you create a new guide in Photoshop?
View, Guides, New Guide.
Which filter is used to blur the background of an image?
Gaussian blur.
What does the crop tool do?
Resizes and trims an image.
What is the purpose of smart objects?
Protect image quality.
What does the healing brush tool do?
Repairs imperfections.
Which color mode is used for web design?
RGB.
What is the shortcut to undo an action in Photoshop?
Command Z.
What is the pen tool primarily used for?
Drawing paths and shapes.
What is the shortcut to deselect a selection?
Command D.
What does the eyedropper tool do?
samples colors from an image.
Which feature helps align elements in Photoshop?
Snap to guides.
What is the shortcut for creating a new file?
Command N. Thank you for joining the quiz. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your thoughts below. To take your design journey to the next level, explore my design courses or learn how to earn from anywhere in the world as a graphic designer, click the links below. Stay creative, and see you in the next video.